XLR. Alright, Daddy's doing a video. Alright, go watch TV. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another unboxing. Alright, in this video, it won't be as in-depth, but I'm gonna do a more in-depth video later on. This one's just pretty much gonna be short and sweet and straight to the point. This is the Yeti Nano from Blue, and I've used Blue microphones in the past, and they're really good for the price and the quality. So if you're looking for a good low-end mic that's not gonna cost you $1,000, Blue is where it's at. And this is a USB microphone, so I can hook it straight into my laptop, which is awesome. So that means that you can plug it straight into your laptop or your computer, and you don't need another box that takes microphone inputs, XLRs, and convert it and plug that into your laptop. So it's one less equipment that you need. And those can run you up a good penny, you know, depending on what quality you get and what brand. So even on the low end, you know, you're gonna be spending about 50 bucks, maybe 100, you know, for a decent one on top of the microphone. And then you need the microphone XLR cable, you know. So then you need the stand for your mic. So it's just so many extra things you need. So that's why I went with the Yeti, and I did my research, and this is a very good, they make a lot of good, like besides making good non-USB mics, they make really good USB mics as well. They have a whole lineup. I'm pretty sure y'all heard, you know, somebody using a Yeti. So now let's get straight to the product. Boys and girls, do not try this at home. Yeah, I'm just joking. Always point the knife away from you. Just a little pro tip. Little information card so you can download a little program so you can adjust your mic and stuff in more detail. So that's cool. And updates. Alright, here's the cord. Looks like it's just a regular USB micro USB. Yeah, like the ones that the Androids use. Alright, here's this bad boy. Nicely packed, I should say. It's really packed in there. And here you go. And this is so you can screw on to a mic stand if needed. But the thing about this, I love that it already comes with a desk stand. Damn. Check that out. Don't that shit look beautiful? And it feels real good. Like, this is really good material. It ain't no cheapo plastic. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Blue Nano Yeti microphone. You got your volume button right here, which is, I'm pretty sure is maybe the power button as well, because it clicks in. And then you got your two different patterns of voice pickup on the back. So you got, it was cardio and then omnidirectional. So I'm just gonna break those down for you real quick. Cardio is more, think of a heart shape like this, okay? So it's better for one-on-one. It picks up everything, you know, directly onto it, and some stuff like off to the side, okay? It won't pick up nothing that's outside that range, you know, and cardio's bubble is small, you know? And then omnidirectional is pretty much the opposite of that, which is a big circle. So it picks up everything around. So that's more for like groups when you got multiple people. You can, or multiple singers. So that's why you got two different options, you know, and which is good because most microphones are usually one or the other, and there's other patterns as well, you know. So it's good that this one gives you two. More bang for your buck. And on here it tells you what it's good for. So cardio is good for podcasts, you know, streaming, you know, Skype, Discord, vocals, and voiceovers. You know, all of those are one person jobs. Omnidirectional is good for conference calls, field recording, events and orchestras, and multiple vocalists. So, like I said, when you got more than one person, I recommend it. If you're looking for a low-end, very good price, quality mic, go with this one. If there's also another one that's cheaper than this within the same brand and same sub-brand. So the brand is Blue, sub-brand is Yeti microphones, and Yeti microphones are all USB. Except for the most expensive one, I think that one, it has the option to do both USB and XLR. So this is like the mid-range one. It's like 100 and something. There's one that's like 100 or like right below 100, and I think there's one, there might be even one for like 70 bucks too, you know. I can't remember, so don't quote me. But if you're looking to step up your any type of thing that you're doing where it involves using a microphone, like streaming, podcasting, even if you're just an artist and you're trying to record, like I know there's like way better vocal mics that you can use, and this is not like the first one on like a singer or a rapper's microphone list, but nonetheless, this is a very good mic, you know, if you're just starting out and you want to start. You know, and you don't even have to get this one, you can get the lower end ones within the sub brand, you know. They're all really good. That's my thoughts, that's my opinion on it so far. Let y'all know more what I think about it in my next video. Deuces.
These are silent killers.
You are the silent killer.